For those of you who use SCC's Studio A, we have some exciting developments to share. We have installed a new DVI port for video playout from the control room, and we have some exciting new updates coming soon. This next segment will give you all the info you need to use these new tools. And 3, 2, 1, go.
Hello and welcome to the show. Before we begin tonight, we're going to look at a great lighting tutorial from Access SCC.
You have to play the video.
Oh, sorry, here we go. Okay, that isn't right. Sorry folks, I'm a little confused here. I'll get it figured out.
Is this happening to you? Well, we have some good news. SCC has recently installed a new DVI port in Studio A's control room. This connection works with our checkout Mac laptop, or you can bring your own Mac laptop from home. Simply connect the DVI cable located directly next to the switcher. To bring the display to program, select the DVI button on the scaler, then punch up the scaler on the switcher's program bus. If you require audio as well, plug the audio cable into the headphones port. Bring up the two sliders labeled DVI laptop when the video plays. You can also use the laptop to show photos, play your own music, view websites, or whatever else you'd like to share on your show.
This is so great. Okay, let's try this again. 3, 2, 1.
Hello and welcome to the show. Before we begin tonight, we're going to show a quick lighting tutorial.
For more questions about using the new DVI input or any playout options in Studio A, ask a friendly SCC staff person.